A balanced diet is the cornerstone of good health and well-being. It provides the body with the right nutrients and the right proportions to function optimally. A balanced diet is not just about what you eat, it's about making informed choices and developing healthy eating habits. In this video, we will explore in greater detail the key tips for maintaining a balanced diet. 1. Understand the basics. Before delving into the tips for maintaining a balanced diet, it's crucial to understand the basics. A balanced diet consists of a variety of foods that provide the necessary nutrients, including carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. The key is to consume these in the right proportions to meet your body's requirements. Balancing these nutrients ensures that you maintain energy levels, support growth, and protect against diseases. 2. Portion control. Portion control is a fundamental aspect of maintaining a balanced diet. Even with the healthiest foods, overeating can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Paying attention to serving sizes is a simple yet effective way to prevent overconsumption. When dining out, it can be helpful to share a dish or take home leftovers to avoid excessive portions. 3. Eat a variety of foods. Variety is the spice of life, and it's equally vital in your diet. A balanced diet should include a wide range of foods from all food groups. These groups typically encompass fruits, vegetables, grains, protein sources, such as lean meats, fish, and legumes, and dairy or dairy alternatives. Consuming a diverse set of foods ensures you get a comprehensive array of nutrients, and it can make mealtime more interesting and enjoyable. 4. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is a critical component of maintaining a balanced diet. Water is essential for digestion and the transport of nutrients throughout the body. It also helps control body temperature and supports various metabolic processes. Ensure you drink enough water daily, and consider substituting sugary beverages with water, herbal teas, or unsweetened options. Staying well hydrated can aid in weight management and overall well-being. 5. Prioritize fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are nutritional powerhouses. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which play a key role in preventing chronic diseases and supporting good health. They are also low in calories and high in nutrients, making them essential for a balanced diet. Strive to fill at least half of your plate with fruits and vegetables at every meal. 6. Choose whole grains. When selecting grains, opt for whole grains over refined grains. Whole grains, such as brown rice, whole wheat pasta, and quinoa, are more nutritious and contain more fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Whole grains are a healthier choice that can help you feel full and satisfied. 7. Lean protein sources. Protein is crucial for muscle growth, repair, and overall health. Choosing lean sources of protein is a key aspect of a balanced diet. Lean proteins include options such as skinless poultry, lean cuts of beef or pork, fish, tofu, and legumes. These options are lower in saturated fat and are heart-healthy choices that can help you meet your protein needs without excessive calorie consumption. 8. Limit saturated fats and added sugars. Too much saturated fat can increase your risk of heart disease, while excessive added sugars can contribute to obesity and various health problems. It's important to limit your intake of these substances. Avoid fried foods, sugary snacks, and sugary beverages. Instead, opt for healthier cooking methods and seek out snacks that are low in added sugars. 9. Cook and prepare food mindfully. The way you prepare and cook your food can greatly impact its nutritional value. Opt for healthier cooking methods like grilling, baking, steaming, or sautéing instead of frying. Additionally, avoid excessive use of oils and seasonings high in salt or sugar. Cooking mindfully not only preserves the nutritional content of your food but also makes your meals more delicious and enjoyable. 10. Be mindful of special dietary needs. Individual dietary needs can vary based on factors such as age, activity level, and underlying health conditions. It's essential to be mindful of these factors when crafting a balanced diet. Consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized guidance tailored to your specific needs. They can help you create a dietary plan that addresses any medical conditions, allergies, or lifestyle goals you may have. Maintaining a balanced diet is a fundamental step toward leading a healthy and fulfilling life. It's not just a matter of what you eat but also how you eat and your overall approach to food. By understanding the basics, controlling portions, and making informed choices about the foods you consume, you can ensure that your diet provides the nutrients your body needs to thrive. Remember that a balanced diet is a long-term commitment to your health and well-being, and the benefits extend far beyond the dinner table. With these tips in mind, you can make more informed choices and embark on a journey to better health through a balanced diet.